So guys, is a brand new Mac Mini coming in 2026? Today, we're breaking down all the latest leaks and details about the upcoming Mac Mini 2026, powered by the new Apple M5 and Apple M5 Pro chips. First, let's talk about where things stand. Apple last refreshed the Mac Mini in late 2024 with a completely new design, the first major redesign in over a decade. And honestly, it's been a massive success. Super compact, powerful performance, starting price around $599. It quickly became one of Apple's most popular Macs, especially for developers, creators, and even AI workflows. Now, if you're hoping for a new look in 2026, don't. Apple just redesigned the Mac Mini, and they usually stick with a design for years. So the M5 version will almost certainly keep the same compact aluminum form factor. This is where things get exciting. The Apple M5 is expected to bring faster CPU performance, improved GPU with enhanced AI cores, better efficiency overall. We're looking at noticeable jumps in both single-core and multi-core performance compared to M4. For everyday users, it'll feel faster. For creators and developers, it'll be a serious upgrade. Now, if you want real performance, the Apple M5 Pro is the one to watch. Higher multi-core performance, more powerful GPU, new core structure focused on performance. This chip is expected to push close to workstation-level speeds, making the Mac Mini a true powerhouse in a tiny body. M5 model, likely 16GB to 32GB RAM. M5 Pro model, starting around 24GB, up to 48GB. Perfect for multitasking, editing, and even local AI workloads. This is where Apple might shake things up. Instead of keeping the same base storage, Apple could increase it. Base model, 512GB. Pro model, 1TB. Yes, the price might go up slightly, but overall, you'll actually get more value. M5 Mac Mini, around $699 million. 5 Pro Mac Mini, higher depending on specs. So technically more expensive, but better configured out of the box. So when is it coming? There are two possibilities. April anniversary event, less likely. WWDC 2026 in June. Most likely. Apple usually updates its desktop lineup at WWDC, so that's your best bet. Expected availability, mid-June 2026. The Mac Mini M5 isn't about redesign, it's about refinement and power. Same compact design, faster M5 chips, better storage value, stronger performance across the board. If Apple gets this right, the Mac Mini could once again become the best value desktop in the entire lineup.